If you were using Instagram and you were facing any bugs with your Instagram app, then today's video will help you. So first of all, hit the subscribe button, that's helped me guys, so thank you. So just open any browser and search down detector and click to the Instagram app. When you click on this, you can see, if you see more spike on this graph, that means Instagram is down right now. So if you see that there is a normal, then your problem with your phone or device. So when you see less graphs on this, so just go to the app manager settings and just clear cache and uninstall or reinstall your Instagram app, and then your problem will be solved. So that's the process how you can fix any Instagram bugs. And one option is also there, just go to the profile and click to the three dot menu. After that, click to the settings options and then click to the health options, and then click to the report app problem options. After that, just click to the this box and just type your problems and then click to the send options. After that, your problem will be solved. So that's the process I can fix any bugs on Instagram. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.